In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Pay OTP not coming. When a one-time password doesn't arrive, it's usually a network, settings, or account mismatch issue. Start by refreshing your mobile connection, turn on airplane mode, wait about 20 to 30 seconds, and turn it off again to force a network reattach. Make sure the SIM card registered with your bank is active and can receive SMS. If your phone has two SIMs, set the bank-linked SIM as the default for calls and SMS and ensure it has signal. Also, check that your messaging app isn't blocking unknown senders and that your SMS inbox isn't full. If you're using a browser, clear your cache and cookies. Old session data can interfere with verification pages and code delivery prompts. In your browser's settings, clear browsing data for cached images, files, and cookies. Keep in mind this may sign you out of some sites, so be ready to log back in. Next, try logging in to pay.google.com using a private or incognito window. This mode disables most extensions and uses a clean session, which helps rule out conflicts from add-ons or stale cookies. Simply open an incognito window, go to the site, and attempt the verification flow again to see if the OTP prompt behaves correctly. Now confirm your details inside Google Pay. In the payment methods section, verify that your phone number and address are accurate. The OTP is sent to the number on file, so check the country code, remove extra spaces or dashes, and confirm it's set as the primary contact. If you recently changed numbers, update it and save before retrying. Also, review your account type. If it's set to organization rather than individual, certain verification flows can behave differently and may delay or block SMS delivery for personal use. Switch it to individual if that reflects how you use the account, save the change, and try again. When the option is available during verification, choose an alternative delivery method. Some flows offer to send the code by email or use an in-app prompt instead of SMS. Pick the option you can access immediately and follow the on-screen instructions to complete verification. Finally, if the problem seems tied to the mobile app, reinstall Google Pay. Uninstall the app, restart your phone, then reinstall it from the official App Store. After signing back in, grant any necessary permissions, especially for SMS and notifications, so the app can detect and autofill one-time codes. Make sure both your operating system and the app are up to date before you test the OTP again. Follow these steps in order, and you should be able to receive your Google Pay OTP reliably.